Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today I'm going to cook Kung Pao chicken. Now let me show you all the ingredients for this dish. First of all, the diced chicken. I use the 2 chicken breast, which is about 250 gram, 100 gram of raw peanuts. I'm going to roast it later. 4 slices of ginger, which I already finely shredded, 5 cloves of garlic, and about 200 gram of spring onion. And I'm going to marinate the chicken first. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of Chinese rice wine, 1 teaspoon of light colored soy sauce, ½ teaspoon of dark colored soy sauce. Mix them together and then let it set for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to roast the peanuts. I heat up my wok with low heat. The secret for roast this peanut is don't burn them. That's why you need to heat up at low heat. Just 1 tablespoon of oil. Coat the bottom and add the peanuts. At low heat, you need to stir them constantly until they all change the color to golden brown color, and also you can smell the aroma. While I'm roasting the peanuts, I'm going to cut the chili, dry chili. You can find this dried chili in Oriental store. I got 6 of them, and I also cut it into the same size of the chicken. The peanuts is ready. It only takes about 2 minutes. I'm going to use the remaining oil to fry the peppercorn and the chili. The heat is very low level. Add this chili. Now the chili changed to deep red color, so I turn off the fire. I'm going to mix the sauce for this dish. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit white pepper powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of light color soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark color soy sauce, 100 milliliter of water, few drops of sesame oil. I use this non-stick pan to fry the chicken. 1 tablespoon of oil, medium-high heat. At the same time, I turn on the fire for this wok. So on this side, I'm frying the chicken, and this side I'm going to add the ginger first. Fry for about 20 seconds. Then add the garlic. Fry the garlic. Add a little bit more oil. Add the spring onion. The chicken is done. I'm going to add into this wok. Now I'm going to add this sauce to mix it well. You see the sauce is thickened. I'm going to add a little bit chili oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. Before we turn off the fire, we add the roasted peanuts. Now turn off the fire. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, visit my website. There are many other delicious dishes. This dish was invented by the chief governor of Sichuan province 170 years ago. That's why this dish was named after his title. Kung Pao chicken is the most popular Chinese dish among foreigners. The number one reason is the main ingredient of this dish is chicken, which is acceptable for most of the people. Secondly, the level of hot and spicy is mild. You know, Sichuan people love hot and spicy, but this dish, the hot spicy level is mild. And third reason is, other than a bit hot and spicy, it is also balanced with a bit sweet and sour. All the flavor together gives you the complex flavor. And the last one, which is the signature for this dish, is the roast peanut. Gives this dish the final kick.